Do you just get frustrated when you want to do a craft and you like have no room in your home to do it? You're like, I wish I had a bigger home. I wish I had a craft room. Well, I have 2 tips for you today that may help you get better organized and designate a space in your home that you can do crafts temporarily. And a couple tools, being one of them, is some kind of bag or organization. It could be a cart too, that you take your stuff in or roll it to the area that you're going to be doing your crafts in for a particular time. Now, this is a bag. You can put a portable sewing machine in it. You can put mending items in it. You could put glue, sticks, whatever, cards, greeting cards, stamps, whatever, but this can go on the go wherever you are going to do your crafts at. The Sterilite rolling cart's a great option too, because you can roll into a closet and then roll out to your area that you're going to be working on your crafts. My tip number 2 is a table. So if you don't have an area where you can actually use a surface area, you might need to get another surface area that you can keep out and use, but yet put away when you're not using it. And the best table I can suggest for you is the Norden table at IKEA. I have it pulled up right now, and I'm going to look, and it shows that it is $319 at IKEA. It has a 5-star review. And what's great about this table is it has 2 leaves that are built in, so you don't actually take the leaves out. And both leaves can come up, or one side can go down, the other side stay up, or vice versa. In addition, when both sides are down, it's really compact, and so you can put casters on it if you wish. Roll it into a bedroom and have it like it as a nightstand table or somewhere in another bedroom. Roll it out at Thanksgiving for the kiddos if they need their own special table. And in the meantime, you could be using it for a craft area. And then when you're done, put it away, and you have a space to do your crafts. Well, I hope you've loved our Tip Tuesday this week. I'm Lorraine Brock, helping you get your home, your business, and your life completely organized.